Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning everyone. Thank you for coming to my presentation. Before I want to introduce myself, my name is Ramati Manzuria, and today I will present my research entitled Analysis of English Teacher Strategy in Speaking Skill of Junior High School Student. The word is outline, my outline, first introduction, then review, and the last method. For introduction, I have background here. Language is the means by which we communicate with others. Moreover, language is the main way for human to exchange information. Without language, human would not be able to interact with others, to live a lifestyle, and learn things. In learning English, there are 4 important components, namely listening, speaking, reading, and writing. And of the 4 English skills, speaking skills are the most important. This is Christianita S. and Mandasari B. 2022 said teaching speaking is important for students to teach language skill at school so that they can improve their skill in the future. Most students have difficulty in using a foreign language in addition to their native language, feeling shy and afraid to practice in English conversation. Therefore, the role of the teacher is very influential for students' self-confidence. If the teacher has a good teaching strategy, then it will elevate the student as well. The teacher must have a strategy that suits the ability and condition of the student. The teacher must have many ways to develop English speaking talent so that it can be accepted by every ability of student to achieve the desired result. In addition, the teacher must also develop strategies to teach students in all conditions, such as learning in classroom or with e-learning. And I have this question here. What teaching strategies do English teachers believe are most effective for facilitating student development of speaking skill in English? And the second question, what belief do EFL teachers have about effective teaching strategies? And then this is my research objective. The first is to investigate the perception and experiences of English teachers regarding the effectiveness and different strategies in fostering student speaking proficiency. And the second, to investigate the alignment between EFL teacher belief and current pedagogical theories and of practice. Okay, the next is my literature review. The first, by Marianti et al. 2021, said teaching speaking is a cycle of moving information about parts of speaking and expanding student capacity to communicate in the learning process and teaching students to make spoken words express their feelings, thoughts, and ideas. And to move students in feeling connection using social knowledge. In the process of learning to speak, we should know that there are 5 aspects in speaking skill. The 5 speaking skills are pronunciation, fluency, vocabulary, grammar, and comprehension. And the next is teaching strategy. By Miranda and Wahyudi 2023, every teacher has their own learning strategy in teaching their students because every teacher wants their student to success in learning. One of the purpose of teaching is to ensure sure that the students are competent to speak. Therefore, language courses are very important. Accordingly, teachers should consider some aspects in planning activities that can make the student more easily informed. And my previous study, the first study is entitled Teacher Teaching Strategy in EFL class by Anwar Masrafika Hayati, Zalfia Liska Afriani, and Amit Akbarjo 2021. The aim of the exploration was to find out the type of classification used by teacher in classroom. Interview and observation were used to gather information. The similarity between Hayati, Zalfia Afriani, and Akbarjo researchers and the researchers is the sample taken because the author will take English teacher and the use of observation and interview in the classroom as research instrument. The main point of their research and this research is to analyze how the implementation of teaching strategy used by English teacher and the reason why teacher use certain strategy. And the second and the difference between their research and my research is the study the researchers observe and interview teacher in teaching learning activity in classroom directly, while the researchers was conducted online due to the COVID-19 pandemic. And the second study is entitled Teacher Strategy in Teaching Speaking Skill at SMAN 1 Palopo by Widya Anggreni Wahiba and Amir Fakihudin Asafari 2021. The purpose of the exploration is to find out the type of classification used by teacher in the classroom. Interview and observation were used to collect information. And the similarity between Widya Anggreni Wahiba and Amir research and the researchers is the sample taken because the author will take English teacher and the use of observation and interview in the classroom as research instrument. And the difference between Widya Anggreni Wahiba, Amir research, and this study is the researchers involved in the research in high school teacher and the researchers in the study is the junior high school student. Okay, the next is method. The first is research design. I will use case study qualitative research design because the study involves the study of a case or multiple cases in a real life contemporary context or setting by in 2024 Carswell and Pope 2018. And the research facility fund is English teacher in SMP design. I use propulsive sampling. The subject of there will be several kinds of proposal methodology and something must have criteria where the teacher will have taught for at least 2 years. The object of this study will be the strategies that will be applied by teacher in teaching English subject, the problem they will encounter, and the solution that will employ in teaching skill. And the next is research instrument. I will use observation sheet and interview guide. And the next is data collection. The data collection is observation and interview. Data will be collected through a combination of observation and interview, but of which will by recognize available tools and the research process first. The teaching and learning process will be observed using observation sheet and video recordings to reveal the strategy used by the teacher. And the second interview will be conducted with teacher audio record and supplemented with notes. And the next is data analysis technique. I will use semantic analysis, info processing, because the thematic analysis, info processing data obtained from observation interview following data collection analysis by Nielsen et al. 2014, which solution. And the next is triangulation. I use observation, interview, and notes. Okay. Next is Q&A. If you have question, do you have question? Kalian? Because in here I use English teacher in SMP Dalisan. Why? Because in junior high school SMP Dalisan, this the teacher can be make the student can maybe I will explain in bahasa. Jadi di guru di SMP Talisan ini berhasil membawa salah satu muridnya ke kejuaraan tingkat sekolah, yaitu storytelling dalam bahasa Inggris. Gitu. Jadi saya ingin tahu apa strategi yang bisa membuat murid ini berhasil memenangkan olimpiade tersebut. The next question. Okay.
What is the specific sentiment?
Sentiment ini purposive something. Iya.
Kenapa?
Kenapa? Karena di sini guru yang partisipan ini memiliki kriteria yang saya mau. Beliau sudah seperti yang saya sebutkan tadi, beliau adalah guru bahasa Inggris, kelasnya guru bahasa Inggris, dan ternyata sudah 2 tahun dalam mengajar bahasa Inggris. Begitu. Jadi guru ini sudah memenuhi kriteria yang saya mau. Jadi saya memilih
Berapa guru?
just one.
Just one?
Yeah, just one.
Kenapa nggak tinggal dua?
Karena di sekolah terus hanya ada 1 guru. Yes. Oke, maybe mungkin itu saya bisa sampaikan. Kurang lebihnya saya mohon maaf. Dari topik ya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Sudah pas begini.
Oh, 13 guys.